Hi friends, good morning. We're going to go ahead and get started. So it's our regular morning, but now we're going to stand up and we're going to put our hand over our hearts. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Okay, so, hi friends. Let's move on and get started. Let's see our calendar today. So we have a new month. Remember, we left in March, but now it is April. It is April. Yep, sure is. It is April. And we need to sing our days of the week to find out what today is. Ready? Okay. Wrong way. There we go. Okay. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Alrighty friends, so yesterday we talked about it was Wednesday. Good job, it was Wednesday, which means today is the Thursday. Good job. Today is Thursday, which means tomorrow will be Friday, 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 Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. All right, friends. So, but important for you to know, there won't be any preschool recordings on Friday or Monday because of the holiday this weekend. But let's count to find out what today is, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today is April 9th, 2020. It is April 9th, 2020. We're not coming tomorrow. Well, we're not coming anywhere, but we are not going to have a video tomorrow, and that would be the 10th. We won't have one on Saturday because we don't do school on Saturdays, and then also not on Sunday. And then there will not be anything also on Monday, but we will be back on Tuesday. All right, what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? So friends, this morning, if we were talking early this morning, I would have said it was storming outside because I heard some things. Did you hear anything this morning? If you weren't asleep, you might have. I'm just telling you, it was a little thundery and lightning here in Bridgeville. But let's go ahead and think about what the weather's like right now, okay? So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to go run and check a window and then come right back, all right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, friends. So, you're back. And we need to talk about the weather. So what is the weather doing? Remember, weather is what the sky is doing. What is the sky doing today? Is it raining now? No, probably not. Is it snowing? No, it's not snowing. We talked about that yesterday. We're in spring right now. Is it supposed to snow in spring? Not usually. So let's just say no. Yesterday was a little warm for that. All right, so what do we think the weather's doing today? Me personally, I think it is pretty sunny outside. It's super sunny outside today. And remember, we won't meet tomorrow to talk about the weather. We are going to move on to talking about our numerals. So you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. And now you ready to count back? All right. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, and then we have the counting song down below in the description if you want to do that. Again, they count all the way to 100. If your child's getting really lost, it's just good to go through the routine of trying, and they will acquire more and more that they are able to count. Ready to say our alphabet? All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, do we want to say it backwards today? My friends think that's so silly, so let's go ahead and say it backwards. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. My friends love that. I don't know why. All right, so I have made a decision. We are not going to work on the letter W until we have circled back around, because next week we're going to work on X, and I want to be on the same page with the other preschool classroom on which letters we're teaching so that when we're sending things home, they match up. So the only thing with that is that if you have any W worksheets, just hold on to them. I want to review that after we go all the way through Z. Next week we're going to talk about the letter X, but this week we're going to finish up with V. You're going to get a whole week of V, and then next week we're going to go straight to X, and then Y, and then Z, and then I will circle back around to W so that everybody's on the same page. All right? So let's talk about V. Remember, V is that you start at the top. Good job. So you start up at the top. Up at the top, right? Up here. So point to that smiley face because our letters always start at the top. Big line, slide down. Big line, slide up. What's the name of that letter? V. What's the name of the letter? V. And what sound does V make? V. What sound does V make? V. Good job, friends. That's the letter V. We'll review that today. So at this point, you will have finished at least one of these sheets. Well, all these sheets, but I mean one of these that had you tracing over the dotted lines. Then you have an empty page that I would love for you to fill with the letter V for practice. And then you had this coloring inside the circles trying to find the letter V. Those were the 3 ones that we had this week. I will go on later today and explain next week's packet and attach the packet for next week to our Class Dojo class story, okay? All right, so my friends, though, we are going to move on to... Oh, and remember the letter V video is below in the description. Okay, so nursery rhyme. Ready? Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good job. We're going to move on to a different nursery rhyme next week. Music, still included below in the description. We have Wishy Washy Washerwoman and Tootie Top. Read aloud, I already put on Class Dojo this morning, and it is Miss Nichols reading Here Comes Peter Cottontail. Extended practice, we just talked about that. The only extended practice we really had this week were those letter V pages, but also the other like math activity and the number puzzle that we did, and those videos are also on my YouTube channel and on class dojo. Today I'm uploading one about a little book that you can make that has the colors and it has color words. So go ahead and review those color words with your friends. If they're kind of light, if you print them out, just go ahead and write it. Because if it's in black and white, it was in color, which is why some of like yellow is really hard to see. Just write it with black ink over top of it. All right, friends. Well, I look forward to seeing you at 12:30 today, and I miss you so much, but I'm looking forward to seeing you soon, and we'll review some information when we all meet during our Zoom at 12:30. Have a great day. Can't wait to see you.